Guys, welcome back to Trevor Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix snap error. Something went wrong while displaying this web page in Google Chrome and how to fix this up. And some of you guys will be having a lot of trouble with this when you're trying out. So we're going to talk about two possible workarounds which you have to try out, which is going to fix the issue up. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go to here in the search and you have to search for run. Okay, so even if you don't know about the run, you can use the shortcut method, which is Windows and R key altogether. So you'll be getting the run, and now you have to type msconfig. You just have to type msconfig and you have to press enter. Okay, now you just have to click on services, and from here you just have to click on hide all Microsoft services, and you just have to go for disable all and go for apply. You just have to go for disable all and go for apply, and once after that you just have to refresh it once again, and you just have to follow the same method. You just have to press Windows and R key all together, then you have to type msconfig. Once again you just have to type msconfig. Now this will take you to this, and you just have to go to services, and as you can see that above the files has been hide all Microsoft services being ticked. Now you just have to untick this back once again and just have to go for enable all, then you have to go for apply and go for OK. In short, what we are trying to do is we're just trying to do is we're just gonna click untick and tick on this hide all Microsoft services, and we're just going to enable and disable it, and once after that we're just going to apply and go for OK and try to restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.